Think you've mastered Horizon Chase 2? Think again. Let's take your game to the next level. First up, mastering the controls is essential. Focus on small, precise turns to maintain your speed during curves. And don't forget, drifting is your best friend. Next, knowing the track layout is key. Memorize sharp turns, boosts, and obstacles to keep your speed high and stay ahead. Boosts can make or break a race. Save them for straightaways or critical overtakes. Collect as many as possible to get ahead. Balance your car upgrades. Handling is important early on, but once you've mastered that, start focusing on speed and nitro boosts to stay competitive. In multiplayer, teamwork is key in co-op, but in solo modes, focus on learning your opponent's weaknesses and slipstream to gain an edge. With these tips, you'll be crushing every race in no time. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Horizon Chase 2 tips and strategies. See you at the finish line.